So this is just an ongoing callus, right?
As far as I know, yeah.
When did you notice that it started to change color like this?
Oh, I didn't know it changed color.
Oh, okay. So you had no idea this was even...
No, I mean, I knew that it was calloused and it was hurting a little
Okay.
when I walk on it. But I mean, not horrible.
Okay. You don't have the greatest sensation in your feet anyway.
No, because of my neuropathy.
Right.
This might win me an Academy Award. That's the best callus removal
Of
in
2018.
2018. Yeah.
Oh, I should be so lucky, huh? I don't think so.
I'm gonna send it to Steven Spielberg and see what he says.
You can see there's goo coming out there.
There's one.
There's drainage coming out of the wound.
Okay.
So it is an open wound underneath here that we need to get on and get closed.
Why is the big toe on that foot, sort of curling over?
Just because, as we walk forward in life,
I'm getting old.
things change. Now, the shape of our toes and feet changes with time.
Okay.
And so it's just the shape of your foot having this really high arch, which is also why you have this big callus here. That's now an open wound. And it's not bad. This is going to heal pretty quickly, but we're going to need to monitor it.
Okay.
But things do change, and so people have corns and calluses who never had them for 80 years and now they've got them. Well, it's just because the position of the toe changed a little bit.
Okay.
And so with this though, yeah, I'm going to want to see you back next week, and we're going to get you putting some wound dressings on this. So.
I'm pretty much open most of the week next week.
Okay, thank you.